Welcome back to the Programmers Academy, your YouTube channel for all things programming and software engineering. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the ultimate guide to becoming a software engineer. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an aspiring professional looking to level up your skills, this comprehensive guide will provide you with a roadmap to success. So, let's dive in. Are you passionate about technology and coding? Do you dream of building cutting-edge software applications that can change the world? Then, becoming a software engineer might be the perfect career path for you. In this guide, we'll explore the key steps you need to take to embark on this rewarding journey. Step 1. Education. Building a strong foundation in computer science is crucial. Pursuing a degree in computer science or a related field provides you with the knowledge and skills necessary to thrive in the software engineering world. From algorithms and data structures to programming languages and software development methodologies, formal education sets the stage for your future success. Step 2. Hands-on experience. While education is important, practical experience is equally vital. Working on real-world projects, such as personal coding projects, open-source contributions, or internships, allows you to apply what you've learned and gain invaluable hands-on skills. It also demonstrates your ability to solve problems and deliver results to potential employers. Step 3. Continuous learning. The field of software engineering is constantly evolving, with new technologies and frameworks emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, you must be committed to continuous learning. Engaging in online courses, tutorials, and workshops will not only expand your knowledge but also keep you updated with the latest trends and best practices. Step 4. Communication skills. Software engineering is not just about writing code. It's also about effective communication and collaboration with teammates, designers, and stakeholders. Developing strong interpersonal skills, being an active listener, and effectively conveying your ideas are crucial for successful teamwork and project delivery. Step 5. Networking. Building a professional network within the software engineering community is invaluable. Attending tech conferences, participating in meetups, and engaging in online forums allow you to connect with like-minded individuals, learn from experienced professionals, and even find mentors who can guide you along your journey. Networking opens doors to exciting opportunities and keeps you inspired. Step 6. Specialization. As you gain experience, you may find yourself drawn to a specific area of software engineering. Whether it's front-end development, back-end development, data science, or cybersecurity, focusing on a specialized field can make you stand out in the job market. By honing your skills and becoming an expert in your chosen domain, you become a valuable asset to any team. Step 7. A growth mindset. The journey to becoming a software engineer is not without its challenges. You'll encounter complex problems, encounter bugs, and face moments of frustration. However, having a growth mindset is essential. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, persist in the face of adversity, and maintain a positive attitude. Your mindset will ultimately determine your success. To summarize, the ultimate guide to becoming a software engineer involves education, hands-on experience, continuous learning, effective communication, networking, specialization, and a growth mindset. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to a fulfilling and successful career in software engineering. Thank you for joining us today on the Programmers Academy. I hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration on your journey to becoming a software engineer. Remember, it's never too late to start, and with dedication and passion, you can achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. As always, we love hearing from you, So if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep coding and keep pursuing your dreams. See you in the next video on the Programmers Academy.